prepositions of time. On plus days of the week, on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, on Thursdays, on Fridays, on weekdays. I study on weekdays, but on weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays I don't study. Use wrong for the days of the week, prepositions of time, at plus clock time, at 6 a.m., at 6 p.m., at 7:30, at 7:45, prepositions of time, in or at plus periods of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. The night is different at night, using for 3 periods of the day. On weekdays I wake up early. I get up at 6:30. Take a shower at 6:35. I have breakfast and then I drive. Here in the USA, we can drive at 16 years old, but in a lot of countries, only at 18. I go to school in the morning. Some classes are fun, some are boring. At 11:30, everybody has lunch breaks. I eat the food my mother makes. The classes resume at noon. I stay in school until 1:30 in the afternoon. At 2 p.m. I get home and go to my room. I play games and relax until 5 p.m. Until is the limit used until to indicate when an activity stops. At 5 p.m. the evening starts. At 6 p.m. I do homework, I study arts. At 7 p.m. At 7 in the evening I have dinner. I play games with my family. I'm the winner. At 8 in the evening, I study English and practice some speaking. At 9 p.m. the night starts, it's time to play darts. At 10 p.m. I watch the series on streaming. My mother says it's late now and she starts screaming. You cannot stay up all night, go to sleep. Tomorrow you need to get up early with the beat. Time for my friends. I wake up after midday or noon. I wake up at 12:15 in the afternoon. On some Saturdays I wake up 12:13 or later in the afternoon. On the weekends I wake up around 12 p.m. around noon. That is an exact time around, is not an exact time. Lunch is the combination of breakfast and lunch. In the afternoon at 3 p.m. we go to Central Park. My family and friends play sports. We listen to dogs bark. At 5 in the evening we have a picnic in the park. We go home around 7 p.m. when it's getting dark. At night around 9 p.m. we eat out, and later at night my friends and I hang out. On Sundays we sometimes go to movies at the mall, or sometimes we relax at home, but don't do anything at all. How is your routine? Write in the comments.
In a garden so still, where the moon